Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. So the gentleman walked in and he just got it built himself. And if you can take a look at it real quick, the machine has really bad cable management, and it's not properly booted. When the Windows is installed, it doesn't go past the setup, and it's got a lot of issues. So we're gonna go ahead and troubleshoot to see what's going on with this. Now, in terms of custom builds, I want to tell you that cable management is very important. The reason why is because it can overheat and it can cause issues. You don't want to leave cables laying around all over the place, especially touching the pins on the board of the video card. If this cable gets hot, eventually it can cause issues. And you don't want, of course, your computer that you just built to short out, which is not going to be covered on the warranty. So if you guys have any questions or any issues with your custom builds, you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.